Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by eliminating simple choke points. Update Windows and GPU drivers so game code runs on current fixes and optimizations. Next, switch your power plan to high performance or ultimate performance so the CPU and GPU don't downclock. Open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup apps to free RAM and I/O. This reduces background scheduling. Once done, enable game mode in settings to prioritize foreground apps, and reboot to ensure driver and power changes take effect before moving to deeper tuning. Now dive deeper into system-level tweaks. Open the GPU control panel and set power management to prefer maximum performance. Disable forced VSync or use adaptive G-Sync/FreeSync on compatible displays to cut input lag. In system performance options, set visual effects for best performance and turn off transparency so the compositor uses fewer GPU cycles. Move active game installs to an NVMe or SATA SSD and enable trim to keep I/O fast. Finally, check page file settings and finish by trimming runtime overhead. Close overlays, Discord voice processing, and recording tools so they don't steal frames. Tune in-game settings by lowering shadows, crowd density, and draw distance first, then tweak textures if RAM allows. This balances CPU and GPU load efficiently. If you still see stutters or crashes, check GPU/CPU temps and thermal throttling, and if a recent driver caused instability, roll back to the previous stable version. If networking lag appears, test with wired Ethernet and disable background updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.